Well, it's a gloomy day out. Pretty nice out to shoot video. So a lot of you guys was questioning whether or not this was actually the ZTE Blade X1 against the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra when I took that photo. Yeah, it was. So today I'm testing out the cameras. I'm trying to do one take. This is 4K footage from the Blade X1. This is actually a fantastic device. It's just one of those things that ZTE is just a company that's slept on, and they don't get the recognition because of whatever you believe about the company. But a good phone is a good phone, and this phone right here for $360 with cameras like this, it's a win-win. So like I said, it's a gloomy day out. It's wet, it just rained, still kind of sprinkling on and off. But this is a good, cool day out, man. It's probably 75 degrees or so. Beautiful out. And just look at the sky. Surprisingly, this phone records in 4K 60. I shouldn't say surprisingly, but the reason I say it is because a lot of ZTE phones that I've gotten, they don't record in 4K 60. So it's kind of depressing, but it is what it is. So I actually have pause on the video. There's a pause button for video, which is what I like. I'm not going to walk around because obviously my grass, we're in that dead season, so the grass is wet, it's muddy out there, and it's just what it is. But I just wanted to give you some footage. But I was going to say, you do have a pause feature on the video recording, so I'll do it now. I'll pause it and I'll flip it back to me. And see, now I'm over here. That's all. You can pause and change footage, change the view camera, whatever. It's windy out, so let me know how these two microphones are doing. There's a microphone at the top and there's a microphone at the bottom. It's a good day to shoot video. I think I like shooting video on days like this, where it's bright out, but it's kind of gloomy, no real bright sunshine. You get a glimpse of the clouds. Tell me that's not beautiful. Stabilization on 4K 60, there is none, but when you take off 60 frames per second, you can turn on stabilization, which is pretty good. But I'll be losing my beautiful view soon because they're decided to build freaking houses out here in this open field. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful day. The ZTE Blade X1 5G. You know, I still have a brand new in the box ZTE device that we all loved. I loved it. Let me show it to you. Hold on. So you will get some stabilization because I'm walking back up to the front of the office, So, shaky cam. All right. So look at this. Brand new sealed. Look at that. The Blade Z Max. This was one of the best phones they ever released, in my opinion. And some phones, I just keep them as collectors. As you can see, I collect a lot. Yes. Let's close this video out. All right. Now, I'm doing like this. I want to do one take just to let you guys know I genuinely just press record and upload it directly. No edits, no nothing. So here's a 4K 60 camera test for the Blade X1 5G. This phone is sick. Autofocus is a little slow, as you saw when I was trying to focus on that box down there. But overall, this is a fantastic phone. I recommend it. Let's get it.